Hi friends, welcome back. In this session we are going to say about abstract classes. Generally, what are abstract classes? And these can be defined as abstract classes as a very important concept in Java, because by using the abstract classes we can perform many problem solving techniques. And while coming to the abstract classes, these are the classes which contains abstract methods. Means abstract classes do not have any methods which are fully defined. Means that it contains only methods which are partially defined. Means that definition is given for a method and the definition is not given completely. Means the implementation part must be given by the another class which extends these abstract classes. These abstract classes gives a partial definition so that the implementation part is given to the user and it must be written in the other class which is going to implement these abstract classes. And these abstract classes cannot be instantiated. This is a very important thing. Means that these abstract classes, we cannot create an object for these abstract classes, and they can have a reference variable. By replacing, as I said, that there is no object creation for these abstract classes, just we can create a reference variable and can use these abstract classes. And now I am going to show a simple example for abstract classes. See, in this example, now I am going to show about an animal class, and it is declared as abstract, and we have given all the methods full definition, but the one method which we have not declared here completely and it is declared partially is abstract, and this can be done by using the keyword abstract placing before that method. So as I said you that this definition must be given by the another class which extends it. So I have not placed this here. So if you are going to write another class, just name it as class demo and extends these abstract class animal, so that you can give the definition inside that void sound. So if your animal is dog, it says bow bow, and etc. Thank you.